Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use HubSpot for inbound marketing, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start using HubSpot for inbound marketing, first, create your HubSpot account if you haven't already. Visit the HubSpot website and click on Get Started. Once your account is created, you will be directed to the HubSpot dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main navigation menu, which includes marketing, sales, service, and more. Click on the Marketing tab to explore inbound marketing tools. Start by creating a buyer persona, essential for understanding your target audience. Navigate to the Persona section under the Marketing menu. Click on Create Buyer Persona and fill in the details regarding demographics, challenges, and goals. Once complete, save your persona and refer back to it as you create content. Next, develop a content strategy that aligns with your buyer persona. Under the Marketing tab, find the Content subsection and select Blog. Click on Create Blog Post to start drafting an article. Use HubSpot's SEO tools to optimize your post, ensuring it ranks well on search engines. Incorporate relevant keywords and use the suggested blog topics for inspiration. After drafting your post, preview it to check formatting and readability. Next, publish your blog post and share it across your social media platforms. To capture leads, create a landing page in HubSpot. Select Landing Pages from the Marketing menu and click Create Landing Page. Utilize templates or customize your design to match your brand. Incorporate a lead capture form asking for essential information in exchange for valuable content. After you've designed your landing page, review it for accuracy before publishing. To track visitor engagement, set up HubSpot's analytics tools. Navigate to the Reports section to analyze metrics like website traffic and lead conversions. Leverage A/B testing features to improve your marketing efforts continuously. Create email campaigns to nurture your leads further. Under the Email section, click on Create Email and choose between regular and automated options. Personalize your emails based on the buyer personas you've created earlier. Schedule your emails or send them immediately based on your strategy. Utilize HubSpot's CRM to manage and track interactions with your leads. Access the Contacts section from the main menu to view and segment your audience. Monitor engagement through tasks and follow-ups. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.